Ayan, good morning everyone! Tara, mag-shopping tayo. Bagong gising lang ako pero kailangan namin mag-shopping kasi spring na. So, kailangan na namin ng grill para ihawan natin. Tara guys, dito tayo sa Los. I don't like it. This is commercial.
Trouble makes good grills.
Yeah, I can tell. You see.
So I'm saying this one's nice too. Trouble.
See, importante to sa akin. This is the most important. Right, babe?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No fish in the house.
No fish in the house. But he's used to it now, though. He don't complain. Because you know what will happen if he complains. Nobody listened to what he said. Nobody listened. Kasi magsa-summer na, so ano na. Diba? Mahilig akong magluto sa labas at lalo na kung may isda. Ito yung pangluto natin. Dito tayo nagluto. And dito kami sa Lowe's para bumili ng grill. Ayan. Yung gusto niya, mas okay din sa akin, pero mas gusto ko yung isa. Sabi niya mas mahal daw. So, yun. Pero, ayan. Shopping tayo, guys. Shopping galore. Ito yung mga, ayan, habang nag-aantay tayo, magpapaganda muna ako. Ilan mo naman yung ano ko. Diba? Habang nag-aantay tayo sa kanila kasi isi-sit up nila for delivery. At the same time, ay iaano nila. I-assemble nila para sa amin. Kasi wala kaming tiyaga. I told them they're gonna assemble it because you don't have
No talent.
Yes.
I don't have no talent. I'll ruin it.
See? Ganun kami mamili.
Everything I touch breaks. Breaks.
Yeah, everything he does is not good. Yes. Nasa, ayun na sila. How much is this one? Diba? Sabi ko kailangan, kasi lagi dito may ulan, so kailangan namin ng cover para hindi siya dumihin din. Diba? Kasi pag madumi, ayoko. Lagi na lang ako naglilinis araw-araw. Gusto ko talaga, malinis siya. No? Kaya, how much is this one, babe? Oh, okay. Huh? Not bad.
Do you want a protection plan on it? If anything happens to it, you can bring it back. It already comes with a protection plan, but it's through a monument, not through us. So the 2-year is $95.97. The 3-year is $117.97.
What's that? What are we gonna do now?
We gotta go pay for it.
Oh, do you have the receipt?
No, I just give them the phone number and then they look it up.
Oh, okay. See, we're done. Are you gonna deliver the
Tomorrow
propane too?
No, we have to grab that tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Yeah. O, diba? Ito yung mga gamitan. Barbecue grill cleaner.
I'll get you some New Zealand stuff.
You're right.
What? You don't want that for your birthday?
I will buy here for our anniversary. My goodness.
Yeah, that's good. That's what I want. Cleaner.
Cleaner.
Or a new vacuum.
New vacuum. I can't believe it's for our 16th year anniversary. It's a vacuum cleaner. Diba? What's your body? You're gonna vacuum your body? All the bad stuff.
I'm gonna go to the retreat in Hawaii for that.
He said if I go to Philippines, I'm gonna go to Hawaii. He's going
go to Hawaii for a month.
And I'll be in Philippines for 2 months.
No.
Why not? Huh?
1 week.
See, you're going for a month, so I'm going for 2 months. Ayan guys, magbabayad na po kami. Bye everyone. See you. Alam niyo, yun talaga hindi mawawala sa chocolate niya. Chocolate. Ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Kukunin na lang namin yung propane and then uuwi na tayo. Tapos natapos natin yung shopping namin ngayon and then bukas i-deliver na nila yung ating grill. Kaya, nako, talagang ihawan. Ihawan portion lagi tayo sa labas. Bye guys! Thank you for watching. God bless.